talk about just in general digital transformation. Of course, there's some hardware sometimes involved when talking to IT/OT, but generally speaking, we're talking about just smart manufacturing in general, using a lot of digital solutions. As we know, things are moving fast. Obviously, as consumers, it's very fast. AI, those kinds of things, but in the corporate world, it seems to move even faster. So it's exciting for me. It's technical. It's not easy, but we have a lot of good minds here in the room. So at Siemens, what's our vision and mission? It's really to help manufacturers make things better. And that's how I would have summed up this whole mission statement that I didn't get to write. Marketing did, but to make things better. And that means make things better for employees at companies, build a better future with sustainability, and also make a better product, right? More profit, just keep more manufacturing here in the States. So why Siemens? And I always like to say powered by Siemens, right? Because our partner ecosystem is extremely important to us. But why Siemens? So we've been around over 175 years. At the top there, you're looking at, I guess we call them divisions or business units, but digital industries is where we fall. Specifically, I'm in the software group there that's highlighted below it. But what's really kind of fun is to the right, you see smart infrastructure. This would be like building technologies. So think data centers, energy consumption management, these kinds of things. Mobility, we control some of the high speed and build some of the high speed rail systems over in not so much US, of course, but Europe, Asia, those kind of areas. So we get large notifications within the Siemens organization, and it's fun to see that stuff being built and powered by Siemens, all the way down to, I just found out my car has a Siemens control module in it, software. So maybe scary, maybe not, but either way, it's there. So it's good to see. But factory automation, motion control groups here today, process automation, and then customer service, as we dub CS. Our partner ecosystem, talking about customer service, is very important because more and more Siemens is not a service company, we're a technology company.